I am Zubaidah binti Ahmad Rostam, a student leader and academic achiever from Sekolah Tun Fatimah Johor Bahru. I currently serve as the Secretary of STF's Prefectorial Board, President of STF Scout Association, and an academic exco member. I see myself as someone who is independent, self-driven, and passionate. My strengths are in communication and my ability to learn new things fast. My colleagues describe me as someone who has great leadership qualities. With a stellar academic performance and a passion for chemistry, biology, and additional mathematics, I have consistently ranked in the top 10 students of my batch since Form 1. I was also school appointed as a biology and mathematics mentor for my batch. Additionally, I also participated in the Man and Biosphere 360-degree Bioeducational Program 2023, where I was appointed as a group leader. Other than that, I was also involved in the SBP's Chemistry Outreach and UTM's Chemistry Carnival. With a proven track record of excellence in academics, I am eager to pursue my studies in the fields of renewable energy. I also have keen interest in chemical engineering and a distant liking in genetic engineering. I am excited about the prospect of bringing my diverse skill set and passion for learning to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, or University of California, Berkeley. I am fluent in Bahasa Melayu, English, and currently studying French. J'ai reçu le prix du meilleur étudiant dans cette matière. En octobre, j'ai passé l'examen B1, obligatoire pour m'inscrire dans les universités françaises. Beyond my academic pursuits and leadership roles, I am also active in Gamelan, and Silat, with experiences in numerous competitions and events. I've also participated in innovation and digital storytelling competitions with skills in 3D designing, media editing, and basic coding. My achievements include being selected to enroll in STF under our former excellent principal Skoda, 3 Academic Excellence Awards in Majlis Anugerah Tun Fatimah, and the best participant in STF Leadership Camp 2022. I was also a facilitator for the same event in 2023. My purpose is to continuously foster personal growth, hone my skills, and contribute to the society in meaningful ways. I'm sure that I have the perfect qualities that you are looking for. Therefore, you can contact me through my email for more information. Looking forward to work with you.